Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the most captivating and exciting activities that you can enjoy without spending a dime. So whether you're a budget traveler or just looking for some exciting things to do, keep watching to discover some of the best free things to do in cities around the world. Whether you're in New York, Paris, or Tokyo, there are always some stunning green space that you can explore without spending a single penny. These parks offer a chance to relax and enjoy some beautiful scenery away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Street markets offer a chance to explore local cultures, try new food, and maybe even pick up a souvenir or two. And the best part? You don't have to spend a penny to enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of these amazing markets. Third on our list, we have one of the most popular free activities in Coastal City, visiting beautiful beaches. There are always some stunning beaches that you can visit without spending a dime. From the white sandy beaches of the Caribbean to the rocky shores of Mediterranean, these beaches offer a chance to soak up some sun, swim in crystal clear waters, and maybe even catch a glimpse of some amazing marine life. From Eiffel Tower in Paris to Colosseum in Rome, these buildings offer a glimpse into the history and culture of the city. Many of these buildings offer free entry or have designated free entry days, so you can explore them without spending a penny. Finally, we have one of the simplest yet enjoyable free activities in a city, watching people pass by. From the busy streets of New York to the quaint cafes of Paris, there's always something interesting to see when you're watching the passerby. So grab a coffee, find a comfortable spot, and enjoy the sights and sounds of the city. And there you have it. The best free things to do in cities around the world. There's always something new and exciting to discover in every city. So go out there and start exploring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips.